Converting and compressing a lot of files doesn't have to be a hassle. You can plug your GoPro or DJI device directly into your computer and compress or convert all of your recorded files fast. Efficiency is very important when it comes to processing large amounts of files, and in this video that is exactly what I want to offer a solution for. Imagine you need to give a preview of the files you recorded to your clients, or the format you recorded in is not compatible with the operating system or video editor tool that you'll use afterwards. Whatever your specific case might be, to carry out tasks like these, you'll need a powerful converter and compressor. Here is what to look for in a converter and compressor: extensive file type support, batch processing without quantity limits. For compressor, the compressor needs to use algorithms that can compress files efficiently while maintaining the original quality, preferably also with customizable settings. Okay. Now that we cleared that up, here's the tool that I recommend and will use. The UniConverter has both of these tools and much more. You can download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. So let's take a look at the converter tool first. Open the UniConverter and connect your GoPro or DJI device to your computer. The software will recognize the device that you connected. So to import files from it, click on the drop-down menu here and choose Add from Device/Camcorder. This next window will come up where you can choose the files to import. Next, assume you need to convert all these files in the same format. Click down here and from the File Format menu, choose your preferred output format. We'll choose MP4 H.264. For specific output settings, you may create your own output format settings by clicking right over here. Here you can set up codecs, frame rate, audio settings, format settings, etc. The UniConverter supports over 1,000 formats, so it is one of the best converter tools you can use. Finally, choose an output folder and click on Convert All. This converter, like I mentioned before, processes files simultaneously, rather than going one at a time. So the processing time is significantly faster compared to other tools. If you want to see a speed comparison between different converter tools, leave a comment down below with the tools you'd like us to compare. Okay, so that is how you convert different formats. Now let's see about compressing them. So, open the compressor tool and import the files the same way as before. Next, again, assuming that you'll use the same settings for all of these files here, click on the compression settings down here. Now, there are three models to choose from here: prioritizing quality, prioritizing size, and the AI compression mode. It's essentially combining the other two. One thing you need to know about quality and size priority is that the compression percentage is linear, which means a 50% compression ratio will result in half the file size or half the original quality. With the AI compression mode, it's different. It's a tiny bit experimental. A higher compression ratio can already result in 10–20% of the original size, while keeping the original quality. I usually choose 70% or something around that value. The output format for the AI mode is MP4. For the other two options, you have different choices. When you're done setting up the compression ratio, choose an output folder and click on Compress All. Okay, so that is how you convert and compress files from your GoPro or DJI device. Alright, that's all for today. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.